What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we discussing locks because your boy is going back to the lock game. You already know, I know it. Clap your hands. I know y'all cheering for me. Cool. But anyways, yes, your boy is going back to the locks. It's been about 6 months or even over 6 months since I last had locks, and I was rocking the high top style, and now your boy is going back full. We're going full all the way, locked up from the top of the head to the back of the head. You know what I mean? We're going all the way full-fledged locks, and I don't know how I'm gonna start them yet. You know what I mean? So y'all stay tuned for that. But as for right now, your boy got the curls going. You know what I'm saying? Something slight all the way around. Nice little fro going on. You feel me? Gotta keep it looking clean. But I've been enjoying the curls, you know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, I might rock the curls just a little bit longer or wait till my hair get a little bit longer before I start doing the twist for the locks. Will I be using the crochet hook? Yes, I will be doing the crochet hook. Will I do it starting out? I don't know yet, but we'll see in the future whenever I get it started. Either I'm gonna start it or I'm gonna have my wife start them out for me. I gotta get the section superb. I don't know if I'm gonna do the square, the diamond, the triangle, might do the freeform or to just let it go organically. Who knows? I don't know if I'm gonna go full Jay-Z, but I might do a mix of freeform and maintenance style. So we'll have to see when it comes time for that. As far as how I wanna start it, now before I kinda left a lining right here, around. I don't know if I'm gonna do the lining or not yet. It looks cleaner if you can see a line, if I go through and I line up, it looks cleaner that way. But I also like the organic, just letting the locks do what it do without, crazy line. Maybe keeping the C cups. I'm probably gonna keep the C cups, you know what I mean? But touching up the front line, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. I kind of like the regular organic look, but I still have time to decide. So y'all let me know down in the comments how I should start it. Should I start it out with a line, like leaving like a little fade right here so I can line it up, or should I let it go natural? Let me know down in the comments. Now, as far as length for starting, I can start now if I wanted to because my hair is pretty long. It's actually, it's long enough to start a little something, but I kind of wanted to get a little bit longer so it won't be so hard to twist the crochet the way I wanted to do it. Now, keep in mind, I've been in the lock game now for about 6 years, so I've had long locks, as y'all can see. I've had short locks. Started it out natural, going through the button phases and making them lock on their own and doing that. And then I did the crochet needle method where I don't wait that long and I use the crochet needle to keep it maintained and kind of skip the button phase, like where it's all puffy in the middle of a lock. I skipped that stage completely the second time around because I was using the crochet needle. So that's something to think about if you're starting out your locks fresh, like straight out starter locks. Start your journey fresh. You can start with a crochet needle if your hair is long enough. You can start with a crochet needle anyway if your hair isn't long enough, because most people who add locks to their hair, like making their hair longer without waiting to see them grow, they use a crochet needle on hair that's like this short and they just crochet the locks in, and next thing you know, in a few hours, they got long hair. I don't know yet if I'm gonna add hair to my hair because I still have my old locks. Matter of fact, let me go get my old locks real quick. So check it out. I still got my old locks. They still dyed and all that, you know what I mean? So see how long they were. They came all the way down about right here. I'll throw a picture up. Yeah, they were about shoulder size, you know what I'm saying? And they nice, thick. As y'all can see, they were kind of thick. They were like a little bit over a medium. You could say the low level of a large lock. They were right there. Let's say a medium. That's what they were. They were medium large. So that's what these were right here. And I still got them just in case I wanted to add them back. I got them, I just got to re-dye them to get them all like matching this right here. Because I don't want to add dyed locks to my, virgin hair right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to dye these to match if I want to add them. I don't know yet. Y'all let me know down in the comments, should I add them back to my hair or should I let it go on and do its thing, and grow them out naturally and go through the whole journey with y'all? If y'all gonna follow me, with this journey, I'll do it the full way. I'll at least give y'all like 2 years of the full way before I start playing around with the locks. But please let me know down below if I should start it organically, don't touch it, and just let it do its thing, and y'all follow me with that journey, or should I go on and just add these back in and get the full, maybe cut them down, because like I said, I had the high tops, it was all high top, And should I cut these down and, you know, add them back to my hair? Let me know down below what y'all think. Because this the Locked In fam, and I'm gonna do what y'all say, what y'all request, not everything y'all say. Now, come on now. I still got all my dignity, so I ain't finna do nothing crazy, but let me know down below what y'all think. Should I add them? Should I let it grow natural, full locks, and see what that look like? No matter what I do, I know y'all gonna follow me because this the Locked In fam. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. I just wanted to show y'all that your boy is back at it, and we back on the lock journey here soon. I haven't started it yet, but when I do, I'm coming to y'all, and we gonna get locked in.